Welcome to Daily News Headlines, September 18, 2023. Headline number 1. UAW rejects offer. Strikes continue. United Auto Workers President Shawn Fain says Jeep maker Stellantis' offer of a cumulative 21% wage increase is a no-go. Fain warned that the union could call for further strikes this week if agreements aren't reached, after contract talks between UAW and the three Detroit carmakers failed to progress Sunday. About 12,700 workers at General Motors, Ford Motor and Stellantis plants have been on strike since early Friday morning. Ford and GM have announced temporary layoffs of about 2,600 non-striking workers related to the work stoppages. Headline number 2. Instacart IPO aims to raise $660 million. Instacart is looking to raise as much $660 million Monday as it sets the share price for its IPO ahead of its trading debut Tuesday, Bloomberg reports. That would put the company's valuation at more than $9 billion, a significant drop from the $39 billion it commanded during the pandemic. Inspired by chipmaker Arm's blockbuster debut on the Nasdaq last week, the grocery delivery service reportedly raised its IPO target price Friday. Also like Arm, Instacart is looking to some big investors, like PepsiCo, to back its IPO. Headline number 3. Fed to hold steady on rates. All eyes will be on the Federal Reserve this week, as it meets to set interest rates Wednesday. The central bank is expected to hold its benchmark target at a 22-year high, according to economists surveyed by Bloomberg between September 11th and September 14th. During that period, however, inflation reports showed renewed upward pressure from a surge in gasoline prices. The Fed has been raising rates at the fastest clip since the 1980s to tamp down inflation, which has fallen about halfway toward its annual target of 2%. Headline number 4. New York State passes pay transparency law. A pay transparency law went into effect Sunday across New York, making the state the latest to require that employers disclose compensation ranges in job advertisements. Unlike a similar law that's been in place in New York City since November 2022, the state law is not limited to work performed within its borders. It also covers jobs that will be physically performed outside of New York, but will report to a supervisor, office or other worksite in New York, attorney Melissa Camir writes for the Society for Human Resource Management. The National Women's Law Center estimates that more than 83 million U.S. workers could now be covered by pay transparency laws, which are intended to flatten salary inequities across genders, races and other characteristics. Headline number 5. Disney mulls sale to send message? Disney's share price got a boost last week amid reports that the entertainment giant is weighing a potential sale of its broadcast portfolio. Yet, analysts are warning that CEO Bob Iger may not be looking to orchestrate a bidding war or hold out for the highest price. Rather than profit, the sale is primarily about sending a message to the investment community. The era of traditional TV is over, CNBC writes. The linear business is something Disney has clearly signaled is going to be in decline, a Wells Fargo analyst told the network. Streaming is its future. Fact of the day. U.S. restaurant tipping fell to 19.4% last quarter, the lowest since the start of the pandemic. Thanks for watching.